Hi, I'm Nathan.
Hi, I'm Charlie.
Hi, I'm Sun.
Hi, I'm Tim.
And together, we're Hi-5. Wow. What? Ow. Wow.
Can you see what the problem is, Cal?
Oh, yeah. This is why you haven't got any hot water, Chats. Your hot water pipe's broken.
Broken? So I can't have a hot bath?
No, not right away, Chats. I'll have to fix the pipe first.
Pity we don't live at the bottom of the ocean.
The bottom of the ocean? Well, why would you want to live there?
Well, there are these hot water vents down there, Kel, and hot water whooshes out of them all the time. I've been reading about them in this book.
Oh. Hey, you're right, Chats. Hydrothermal vents at the bottom of the ocean. Hey, that's cool. They're sort of like hot water pipes. Psh, psh, psh. How amazing.
We'd never run out of hot water if we lived by one of those vents.
Oh, that's true. And I bet you we'd find some pretty amazing animals down there at the bottom of the ocean.
Oh, Spider Crab Chats, are you still in there? Because it's my turn to have a hot bath in the ocean vent.
Is that you, Kelly Tube Worm?
Yes, it is. So please hurry up. I've been waiting for ages to have a wash. How much longer must I wait? I want to wash, cause it's a great feeling to get all clean with hot water. Do I really have to wait another minute more? Here on the ocean floor. Spider Crab Chats, you use all the hot water if you don't get out soon.
Use all the hot water? But this is a vent in the ocean. They never run out of hot water.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, you'll have to wait your turn. The shrimp is next.
The shrimp.
Ah, been looking forward to this. There is nothing like a nice hot bath, no? Oh, hello, Kelly Tube Worm. La, la, la,
Oh, when will it be my turn? First the spider crab and now the shrimp. How much longer must I wait? I want to wash, cause it's a great feeling to get all clean with hot water. Do I really have to wait another minute more? Here on the ocean floor.
Would you mind handing me that doofer? Need to give my back a bit of a scrub, huh? La, 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 la,
When is that shrimp gonna be done?
There is nothing like a nice hot bath, no? Refreshes one. Au revoir!
At last! Now it's time for my hot bath. You know, I think this is the busiest hot water vent in the whole ocean, Spider Crab Chats.
Well, now that the shrimp is showered and the spider crab has scrubbed.
Ah, the worm can wash. La 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 la.
There you go, Chats. Your broken hot water pipe is all fixed. Now you can have a hot bath for real.
Woohoo! Hot bath, here I come!
Chats just love some good, clean fun.
Hey, this one's green on the bottom. Look. Yeah.
Charlie Plumber here. Heard there's a leaky tap to be fixed. Aha, leave it to me. Charlie Plumber, no job too small. With my trusty toolkit I can fix it all. Wrench and tape and this suction thing. From leaky taps to wonky springs. With a twist and a turn and a tinker for fun. Charlie Plumber will get the job done. Yup, this tap has a leak, but not for long. Just as well I've got all my plumbing tools. Charlie Plumber, no job too small. With my trusty toolkit I can fix it all. Wrench and tape and this suction thing. From leaky taps to wonky springs. With a twist and a turn and a tinker for fun. Charlie Plumber will get the job done. There. Taps all fixed. Uh-oh, this suction thing is stuck. Oh. Anything else need fixing?
Hi, I'm making an amazingly tall mountain, a bit like Mount Everest, the tallest mountain in the world. Kind of like a pointy triangle shape. Well, down here, at the bottom of the slope, there's some green grass. But up here, it's so high, top of the mountain, nothing ever grows. Just got brown rock. Gee, it's really cold here at the top of the mountain, so I might need to add some white snow. We'll climb the tallest mountain, we'll climb and we won't stop. We will be adventurous, we'll climb right to the top. When we arrive, we'll sit and take it in. The amazing journey, the amazing place that we are in. There, lots of white snow at the top of this mountain, but I can't really make it as tall as Mount Everest, so I might call it Mount Hi-5. Yeah, I can't wait to climb it. The tallest mountain in Hi-5. Well, it's really hard to say that this is the tallest mountain in Hi-5. Might need some smaller mountains just around it. We'll climb the tallest mountain, we'll climb and we won't stop. We will be adventurous, we'll climb right to the top. When we arrive, we'll sit and take it in. The amazing journey, the amazing place that we are in. And there, lots of mountains, a mountain range. And Mount Hi-5 is the tallest mountain around. Well, I better get my gear ready if I'm going to climb Mount Hi-5. So, I'll need my snow jacket. Nice. And in here I've got food, water, and a tent for camping along the way. Alrighty then, let's go! We'll climb the tallest mountain, we'll climb and we won't stop. We will be adventurous, we'll climb right to the top. When we arrive, we'll sit and take it in. The amazing journey, the amazing place that we are in. Yay! We made it to the top of Mount Hi-5. This is amazing, 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 amazing. Now that's an amazing echo.
I'm a mountain goat. I love climbing mountains. The steeper, the better. Nah. Step by step, climb to the top. Up, up high we go. And when you get right to the top, look down at the world below. Step by step, climb to the top. Up, up high we go. And when you get right to the top, look down at the world below. Made it. They say us mountain goats are pretty sure-footed, good at climbing on 4 feet. Let's see how sure-footed I am climbing down the mountain. Step by step, now climbing down, 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 down we go. Taking each step one by one, down to the ground below. Step by step, now climbing down, 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 down we go. Taking each step one by one, down to the ground below. Marvelous! I truly am an amazing mountain goat. Meh!
Tim the Howler Monkey here. Are you ready for the auditions for the amazing Amazon Rainforest Choir?
Yeah, we are. Thanks, Team Howler Monkey.
All right, now, before I listen to your voices, I will sing you the amazing Amazon Rainforest song.
Oh, nice, nice.
Here in the Amazon, we love to sing together. We sing about the animals, we sing about the weather. We sing about the jungle and we sing about the sky. But when the day is over, we like to sing goodbye.
Oh, nice, nice, nice. Very nice.
Okay, now, I have a very low voice, so I think the choir needs a very high voice.
Oh, that's me.
Ah, lovely Kelly Bats.
Yes. Hi, I love to sing hi, yes.
Okay, well, let us see what you can do.
Okay, here in the Amazon we love to sing together.
Ah, well done, Kelly Bats. Welcome to the amazing Amazon Rainforest Choir.
Oh, well, thanks. Oh, I'm so excited.
Okay, so now we have a low voice, that's me, and a high voice,
Hi again,
that's
hi.
Kelly Bats.
Hi.
Now we need someone who can keep the beat, somebody with a bit of rhythm.
Hello, Tim Howler, monkey.
Oh, hello there, Nathan and Tita.
Oh, I love singing, and I'm really good at keeping the beat.
Oh, I see. A nice slurpy, sniffly rhythm. Okay, well, Nathan and Tita, you keep the beat, and Kelly and I will try singing the song. Okay, let's go. Here in the Amazon, we love to sing together. We sing about the animals, we sing about the weather. We sing about the jungle and we sing about the sky. But when the day is over, we like to sing goodbye. Oh, okay, so now we have a low voice, a high voice, somebody to keep the beat. But what we need now is something to make our choir move and groove the Amazon way.
Squawk! Oh, can I do my audition now, please? Squawk, please!
Okay there, Sun Parrot. All right, let's see what you've got.
All right. Here in the Amazon, we love to sing together. Squawk, 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 squawk.
Oh, excellent. A funky squawking parrot rhythm.
Thanks, Howler Monkey Tim. Squawk!
Okay, guys. I think this low, high, slurpy, sniffly, funky, squawking Amazon choir is ready to make some music. Here in the Amazon, we love to sing together. We sing about the animals, we sing about the weather. We sing about the jungle and we sing about the sky. But when the day is over, we love to sing goodbye.
Cool, what a great sound!
I think this amazing Amazon choir is A-okay.
Nice.
Hello, Sleepy Charlie Sloth here, just hanging around in the Amazon rainforest. A sloth's life is pretty laid back, very slow. I'm just hanging around, upside down, that's what I like to do. I move so slow when I'm on the go, that's what I like to do. Never in a hurry, never have a worry. Have a stretch, yawn or two, that's what sloths do. I'm feeling a bit hungry. Leaves. I'm just hanging around, upside down, that's what I like to do. I move so slow when I'm on the go, that's what I like to do. Never in a hurry, never have a worry. Have a stretch, yawn or two, that's what sloths do. Worth waiting for. I'm making big paper snowflakes. This is what a snowflake looks like up close.
Oh, chip chip.
Oh, beautiful shapes. Snipping into folded paper makes a snowflake pattern. Pretty snowflakes, cool and bright, falling, floating, soft and light, drifting through the snowy sky, snowflakes soft and light. There we go. Ta-da! Snowflake. Now I've got 1, 2, 3 snowflakes, all the same. I think I'd like to make a different one now.
Oh, chip chip, colourful snow.
Oh, what's this? Wow, how amazing. Look, colours all over my white snowflake. That looks good. Definitely different to the others now. What I need is some glue. I'll stick the colours on for a special multicoloured snowflake.
Oh, chip chip makes snowflake too.
Ah, glue. Here it is. Pretty snowflakes, cool and bright, falling, floating, soft and light, drifting through the snowy sky, snowflakes soft and light. There.
Oh, chip chip makes snowflake for sun.
There. Beautiful. I think I'll make one more snowflake, a really different one this time. Oh, what's this? I didn't fold and cut this piece of purple paper. Somebody else has made a snowflake. Oh, maybe it's that somebody who's been playing tricks on me in my space.
Sun clever.
I wish I knew who it was. I wonder what kind of snowflake shape this will be. There's one triangle here on this side, another triangle here, and a curvy bit at the bottom. Ah, it makes a star in the middle. I love it. It's really clever. I think I'll go show the others.
Oh, chip chip snowflake.
Dressed up for the cold in a magical winter wonderland. I just wish it would snow. My wish came true. It's snowing. Snowflakes falling from the sky. Oh, I might try and catch them in my magic snowflake jar. Catching, stretching in a winter wonderland. Stretching, catching, catch them in my hand. Floating, falling, drifting down. Magic icy snowflakes all around. In the air and on the ground. Oh, I wonder if any snowflakes have fallen in my jar. Wow, snowflakes! Aren't they truly magical? Who's gonna build the biggest snowman?
Once upon a time, in a faraway forest, there was an old crooked bridge. And under the bridge lived a grumpy troll.
I'm Cosima the Troll and I'm feeling grumpy.
Cosima loved her bridge, but it was always falling down.
That's why I'm feeling grumpy. My little old bridge needs lots and lots of repairs and I'm the only one to do it. My troll magic doesn't work on broken bridges.
Bang, bang, bing, bong, what do you say? I'm fixing up my bridge on the sunny day. It's old, but it's good, it's my home, you see. I'll try to make it better, diddly-dee.
Just then, three friends came running through the forest. They were heading straight for the Troll's Bridge.
Can't catch me, guys! Whoa! Check out this old rickety bridge!
Oh, watch out, you'll break my bridge! Oh, see what I mean?
Hi there, who are you?
Oh, I'm Cosima the Troll, and I know how to stop you from crossing my bridge. Diddly-diddly-dee!
And with that, Cosima the Troll used her magic troll power on the three friends.
Wow, we're all trees!
These leaves are like a hat.
And listen to the cool sound I make in the wind. This is fun!
No, you're not supposed to like being trees. I'll have to turn you into something else. I know. Fiddly-diddly boing!
And with that, Cosima the Troll used her magic powers once more.
Ha-ha! Now how do you like that?
Wow, we're toads. This is great.
Watch how far I can jump! Woohoo!
I can't wait to go for a swim.
No, you're not supposed to like being toads. Oh, this isn't working. Fiddly-diddly-dum.
With a wave of her hands, Cosima the Troll turned the friends back to their normal shape again.
Oh, we're back to normal again.
Oh, that was amazing.
It was so much fun being different things. Thanks, Cosima.
Ooh, what's wrong?
Oh, nothing.
Oh, come on, Cosima, you can tell us.
Well, it's just that the bridge is my home, and every time someone crosses it, it gets more and more broken down. I'll never be able to fix it properly.
We'll help you fix it if you like.
You would?
Well, yeah, it just needs a bit of hammering.
Yeah, maybe a few new planks.
Then it'll be good as new.
Oh, wow. Thanks, guys.
So the three friends helped Cosima fix up her bridge so it looked brand new.
Bang, bang, bing, bong, what do you say? We're fixing up a bridge on a sunny day. It's old, but it's good, it's a home, you see. And now we made it better for a bridge boogie.
Oh, the bridge looks wonderful. Thank you.
You're welcome, Cosima.
Oh, from now on, anyone who wants to can cross my bridge, especially my three new friends.
Oh, we've made a new friend too, our magical troll Cosima.
Who is hardly ever grumpy again. Now how about we cross over there for some more great music?